ओके ल आज हामी डेप्रिसिएसन च्याप्टर पढ्न गइरहेछौँ है इट कन्टेन्स 8 मार्क्स हैन डेप्रिसिएसन च्याप्टरमा र डेप्रिसिएसन च्याप्टर विद्यार्थीहरूले गाह्रै मानेको अवस्था हुन्छ हैन प्राय चाहिँ गाह्रै मानेर हुन्छ तर यो गाह्रो चाहिँ गाह्रो छैन र यो सजिलै छ वास्तवमा अलिकति मेहनत गर्नुपर्छ गाह्रो चाहिँ छैन पहिला डेप्रिसिएसन भनेको के हो त्यो पहिला बुझौँ त्यसको कुरा गरौँ के व्हाट इज डेप्रिसिएसन डेप्रिसिएसन इज नथिङ जस्ट अ एलोकेसन अफ फिक्स्ड एसेट भन्छ यसो एलोकेसन अफ फिक्स्ड एसेट हो यो हैन र इट डिक्रिजेस डेप्रिसिएसन अकर्स एज द टाइम पासेस है जब समय बित्दै जान्छ अनि डेप्रिसिएसन हुन्छ डेप्रिसिएसनको कारणहरू के हुन्छ व्हाट आर द रिजन्स व्हाट काउजेस डेप्रिसिएसन जस्तै प्यासेज अफ टाइम पास हुँदै गयो भने डेप्रिसिएसन अटोमेटिक हुन्छ त्यसपछि वियर एन्ड टियर अफ फिक्स्ड एसेटको जस्तै वियर हुने हैन टियर हुने त्यस्तो भयो भने डेप्रिसिएसन हुन्छ अरु एब्सोल्युसन पनि हुन्छ के अब्सोल्युसन भन्छ जस्तै आउटडेटेड कुनै पनि मेसिन अथवा कुनै पनि फिक्स्ड एसेट नेचरको एसेटहरु चाहिँ आउटडेटेड भयो भने पनि त्यो कारणले पनि डेप्रिसिएसन हुन्छ सो डेप्रिसिएसन देयर आर टु मेथड्स डेप्रिसिएसनको मेथड त अरु धेरै नै हुन्छ हैन जुन कि बीबीएस मा हुन्छ धेरै मेथड छ तर तिमीहरुको 11th क्लासमा देयर आर ओन्ली टु मेथड्स one is straight line method यसको विभिन्न नाम चाहिँ सधैँ स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड मात्रै भन्दिन अरु नाम पनि छ जस्तै के हुन्छ ओरिजिनल कस्ट मेथड अर्को फिक्स्ड इन्स्टलमेन्ट मेथड एउटै मेथडको तीनवटा नाम छ त्यसै गरिकन अर्को मेथडको नाम के हो डिमिनिशिङ ब्यालेन्स मेथड त्यसै गरिकन यसको अर्को नाम पनि छ रिड्युसिङ ब्यालेन्स मेथड अर्को रिटर्न डाउन भ्यालु मेथड ल मेथड दुईटा छ तर एउटै मेथडको तीनटा नाम छ बढीमा तीनवटा नाम छ यो जुन पनि सोध्न सक्छ तिमीलाई एक्जाममा एउटा स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड मात्रै भयो भने अनि यो थाहै हो नि तिमीलाई है स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड यसको अर्को नाम के हो ओरिजिनल कस्ट मेथड अर्को नाम के हो फिक्स्ड इन्स्टलमेन्ट मेथड दिस इज द one type of method and another is diminishing balance method reducing balance method or return down value method so you may be asked either method right you may be asked straight line method or diminishing balance method and finally you get 8 marks right so I have an example this is a simple basic question and over the board and we are going to solve this question how to solve or in this chapter depreciation chapter we have to prepare the machinery account हैन अनि you are asked to prepare 4 years here but you may be asked to prepare 3 years 2 years whatever है त so अहिलेको क्वेशनमा in this question this is the basic question here requirement is machinery account for 4 years it means we have to prepare the machinery account for 4 years okay so how to prepare okay let's do okay machinery account ma here depreciation chapter ma we need to prepare only machinery account है fixed asset account so account भन्ने बित्तिकै अब यहाँ सुरु गरौँ हामीले machinery account है account means it is ledger so draw the format for the ledger debit date
particular
JF amount Okay. Similarly, date so this is the format for the machinery, right? Machinery को लागि machine को लागि हामीले के गर्नु पर्ने छ अकाउन्ट बनाउनु पर्ने छ त्यो पनि कति इयर्स को लागि 4 इयर्स को लागि क्वेशन मा सोधेछ 4 इयर्स को लागि ओके सो हाउ टु प्रिपेयर क्वेशन पढ्ने हैन क्वेशंस वी हैव क्वेशंस ओभर हियर इन द इयर 2003 January 1st purchased first machinery for 80,000 right 80,000 मा फर्स्ट मेसिन किनेछ भन्छ when we purchase the machinery it is recorded in the debit side right debit side मा र डेट लेख्ने 1/1/2003 मा to bank account right first अनि how much 80,000 this is the first machinery so we have mentioned here first hey there are lots of machinery in 2004 2005 so for every machinery we have to mark right so this is the first machinery so first legeko and 80,000 now in the year 2003 there is only one event that is the machinery purchase so at the end of the year 2003 we have to charge the depreciation so 31st 2003 by depreciation account okay how much let's read the question assume that the rate of depreciation is 10% depreciation को rate कति छ रे 10% छ on which method straight line method everything is provided in the question एक कुन मेथड हो कति परसेंट हो सबै कुरा हुन्छ ओके सो 80,000 को 10% कति हुन्छ अब 8,000 हुन्छ यो 8,000 गर्ने now after this we have to balance this account balance गर्नु पर्यो के आउँछ भनेपछि ब्यालेन्स गर्दाखेरि रुल के जानेको छ हामीले इन द लेजर कि जुन साइड बढी हुन्छ त्यही साइड जोड्ने भनेपछि डेबिट साइड बढी छ 80,000 यहाँ लेख्ने है and same copy and paste 80,000 why because debit amount equals to credit amount we know it अब ब्यालेन्स गर्ने यार by balance CD date also 31/12/2003 okay and what would be the amount here remaining value 80,000 minus 8,000 72,000 or 72,000 okay so after CD there is BD okay 11200 2 balance BD how much 72,000 this chapter is nothing it is just a ledger it is based on the ledger okay 72,000 we are in the year 2004 okay so now let's read the question in the 2004 there is another event and what is that purchase second machinery for 60,000 in the 60,000 we purchase the second machinery so when we purchase the machinery it is again recorded in the debit side so 2004 to bank account and this is the what second machine okay this is the second machine and amount is how much 60,000 amount is 60,000 now our duty is to charge the depreciation so at the end of this year we charge depreciation so 31/12/2004 by depreciation account okay so depreciation account So how to charge the depreciation account? What are the number of the machinery at this date? There are two machines. This is the first machine and this is the second machinery. So we need the depreciation of two machinery. Okay. So first of all we have to charge the depreciation of first machine. So first machine depreciation is how much? 8,000, because it is straight line method. Straight line method, what happens? Every year the amount of depreciation is what? Same. Amount of depreciation is same. So here is 8,000, here is 8,000. Okay. This is the depreciation of first machinery. Now we charge the depreciation for next machinery, second machinery. So 31st 12/2004 by depreciation account, and this is the second machinery. And second, what is the amount of the second machinery? 60,000. But it is very important to understand the date. At what date we purchase the second machinery? This is the important point. Okay. So at what date we purchase? 172004. 2004 17 we purchase the machinery. So from this date 172004 to 31st 12/2004, what is the time passed between these two dates? From here to there, what is the month that passed? 6 months only. Yeah.
6 months.
So we have to charge depreciation for only 6 months. Okay. Yes. So how to charge? 60,000 into 10%.
10 by 100
Into 6 by 12. In this way, we calculate the amount of depreciation for second machinery. Okay. So what would be the value? 3,000. Okay. 60,000, 10%, 6,000, and half 3,000. So we charge the depreciation. Depreciation amount will be 3,000. Now there are only two machinery in this year 2004. So now we have to close the accounts. We have to balance the account here. Okay. So for the balancing, again we do in the debit side. So what will be the value? 132,000. And same value we paste here. 132,000. And we have to balance by balance CD. What would be the amount here? Tell me. What would be the amount here?
1,29,000.
29,000. 8,000, 3,000, this will be 11,000. 32 minus 11, 1,21,000. 1,20,000. Okay, this is the balance. Now, after balance CD, we do what? 1,12,005 to balance BD. How much? Same value. 1,21,000. Okay. Now, when we reach at this date at first year, January 1st, then we have to see the questions. Why? Because in this year 2005, is there any event according to the question? We have to check. So, in the year 2005, there is a purchase of third machinery. 110,2005 purchase third machinery for rupees 120,000. 1,20,000 we purchase the third machinery. So when we purchase the machinery, it is recorded in the debit side again. So 110,2005 to bank account. This is the third machinery, and the amount is almost 120,000. Amount is 120,000. Okay. Now we have to charge the depreciation again. Our duty is to only charge the depreciation at the end of the year. So
first 2005
by depreciation
first
account, And in this date 2005, we have three machinery. Hey, listen carefully. We have three machinery in this date 2005. So if there are three machinery, depreciation would be also 3. Okay. So depreciation of the first machinery same amount 8,000 because it is the state revenue. Now again by depreciation account second machinery. What would be the amount?
6,000.
Yes, 6,000 because the original cost of the original purchase price of the second machinery is 60,000 and 10% of 60,000 is 6,000. So we have to write here 6,000. And ultimately again we have to charge the depreciation for third machinery. So 31st 2005 by depreciation account. This is the third machinery, and what would be the amount for the third machinery? So for that we have to see, we have to check at what date we purchase the machinery, third machinery. So we purchase 110. Let's see working note. We purchase 110-2005, and we have to, our destination point is 31st 12-2005. So from this date to here, what would be the month that passed? 2. So how to check 110, 111, 112 and 31st 12? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 months passed. So always we have to check in this way. You may commit the mistake. So in this way, if we do, then it would be correct. Starting point and this is the ending point. So in this way, we can calculate the date. So there are 3 months. We have to charge the depreciation for 3 months. So how to do? We purchase 120,000 into 10% into 3 by 12. This would become how much? 12,000. Okay, 12,000. 12,000 half 6,000 and half
3,000.
3,000. So there would be 3,000 depreciation for the machinery. Now we charge the depreciation for all the machinery. So now we have to know what? Balance. We have to close the account. So debit side is more here. 1,4,2. Okay. So same value we copy here. 241,000 and balance by balance sheet 31st 12/2005. What would be the amount here? Press the calculator and find the results. So this is 8,000 70 241,000 minus 2,24,000. We get 2,24,000 balance sheet. Now 1,12,006 to balance BD. After CD, we have to do the BD. Okay, and same amount 2,24,000. Okay, so our requirement is machinery account for 4 years, and we have to check there is 4 years or not. Here is, this is 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Okay, now we have to charge 1 more year, 4 years. Okay, so there is no further machinery purchased in the year 2006. So we have to charge the depreciation of this amount, remaining amount. Okay, so what to do? 31st 12/2006 by depreciation account. What would be the amount of the depreciation? We need three depreciation amount. Why? Because we have 3 machinery. Okay, so first machinery depreciation is 8,000 plus second machinery depreciation would be how much? 6,000. And in the year third, there would be 10% of 120,000. 12,000. Yes, 12,000. So in total it would be 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000. 26,000. 26,000 would be the depreciation. Okay, so write down 26,000. And then you have to do the balance. And in this way, we complete this question. Thank you. Okay, so in this way we finish this question. And at last, subscribe this channel, like and share also. Okay.